Choosing a safe AI. How everyday users can pick an AI tool without getting fooled. The big truth about AI safety. No AI is 100% private, 100% accurate, or 100% safe. That doesn't mean AI is bad. It means we must use it with our eyes open and our common sense turned on. Safe depends on the job. Ask yourself, what am I using this AI for? AI is low risk and helpful when used for learning new topics, drafting emails, brainstorming recipes, summarizing public articles, and writing birthday poems. You need to proceed with caution if you're using it for explaining financial terms, outlining legal options, and researching product prices. This requires human verification. Stop. Don't use AI to do medical diagnosis, final legal decisions, handling your taxes, social security numbers, or uploading banking details. Rule number 1, how do they make money? Start with reputable platforms. Big companies aren't perfect, but they have public privacy policies, clear owners, and security teams. Avoid mystery websites where you are the product. Rule number 2, check the privacy basics. You do not need to read every word of a legal document. Just look for the basic controls before signing up. Like, can I delete my chats? Can I turn off AI training? Know who can see my data. And for security, is there two-factor authentication? Rule number 3, beware of miracle claims. Be suspicious of AI that promises too much. Real AI tools clearly explain what they cannot do. Shady tools promise magic and ask for your credit card before the rabbit even leaves the hat. Rule number 4, never share sensitive information. AI is not your locked filing cabinet. Never paste personal information into an AI that you would not want exposed to the public. Rule number 5, ask general questions, not private ones. You should not hand over your full tax return. You can ask general tax questions. Rule number 6, entertainment. AI is not professional advice. It's great for jokes, silly voices, and brainstorming. If it makes a mistake or hallucinates, no harm done. Do not use it for health, finance, law, or cybersecurity where sources matter. AI can make things up with excellent grammar. If the answer matters, verify it. Rule number 7, be careful with apps and extensions. AI browser extensions and mobile apps can be riskier than regular websites because they ask for deep access to your device. Before installing, ask, why does this app need to see my files? If it doesn't make sense, hit deny. Rule number 8, test with harmless information first. Trust should be earned. Before relying on a new tool, test it. Ask it to summarize a public news article. Ask it to explain a simple topic. Check to see if it makes things up. Does it admit uncertainty? Does it pressure you for personal details it doesn't need? Let it earn your trust. My simple AI safety checklist. Do I know what company owns this tool? Can I control my privacy and delete my data? Does it provide verifiable sources for serious answers? Did I check the permissions before downloading the app? And the big question, would I be embarrassed or harmed if the information I am typing became public? If yes, stop typing. The golden rule, the helpful stranger. Use AI like a helpful stranger. Useful, impressive, sometimes brilliant. But don't hand it your wallet, your house keys, or your medical chart. Let AI help you think, but keep your common sense in charge. Stay safe, stay curious, verify before you trust. AI is not something to fear, but something to use wisely. Never let shiny technology replace your good judgment. Protect your information, check your settings, and remember, you're never too old to outsmart a risky AI tool. I'm Bob, the Cyber Guy.